You will not believe my nail transformation. Too stylish and so stunning. Ladies, and yes, also my classy gentlemen, you can come along too that like to keep your hands and feet looking fresh and good. I am taking you to Mimoberry in Accra, Ghana, where I discovered a hidden gem for stunning nail art and pedicures. What I also loved about this nail salon is the plethora of just different options of colors that you can choose from: nail art, rhinestones, gel nail, anything you can imagine that you want to do for your nails, they have it. High quality nail polish, they have as well. Powder, acrylic, gel, everything that you can imagine, they have it here. And this is the glitter that they have, the rhinestones, and just so much different choices that you can choose from for the type of color you want to choose on your nails as well. And I love their equipment and also the temperature for our pedicure. The water was nice and warm. It was just a phenomenal experience. And that's my mom showing off her beautiful manicure. She loves red nails. And also, my uncle he got a facial as well. He got a nice facial. And this is me showing a lot more of the place. And my mom even got some Golda. The staff is so nice. If you ask them for anything, they'll make you feel so comfortable. So my mom was just chilling, having a drink, getting our nails done. It was amazing. My mom, my uncle, and I, which I call us the Three Musketeers, had the most amazing time here. Follow along for the transformation and guess how much it cost. You will not believe how much just my nails and my pedicure cost. And I got gel nails with also rhinestone art design and a pedicure, and it only cost me 150 to 200 cities, which is between $10 to $13. Yes, $10 to $13 only. It was super affordable. The moment I walked in, I knew I was in for a treat because of the modern vibe. Look at the technology. The chairs were looking so chic and classy. The friendly staff were also amazing, and they were also very knowledgeable. They knew what they were doing. The staff also sterilized and made sure all the tools they were using on our nails was also very new and clean. And that's something that I look at a nail salon when I'm getting my nails done. I want to make sure that everything is clean and sterilized, and this place was just that. They were very clean, very sterilized, and used new equipment for the nails. Sandra, she's my nail artist. She's the one who worked the magic on my nails, making it look so beautiful with glitter and rhinestones. But I was thinking, would this last? And trust me, I put these nails art and my nails to the test with my daily activities throughout the week. And what were the results? The results were no chipping, no rhinestones fell off. The quality over surpassed my expectations. So if you're in Ghana and planning a trip, add Mimoberry to your list of an ultimate nail experience. You will not be disappointed. And if you're looking for insider travel tips and exploring the best of Ghana for hidden gems and luxurious getaways, beaches, resorts, real estate, apartments, houses, entertainment, and for your ultimate luxury travel experience, make sure you follow me and also email Luxury Travel Ghana, the #1 source for luxury real estate and travel tours in Ghana. I will have an upcoming Ghana itinerary available for you guys soon. So if you're interested in traveling Ghana with me, trust me, you're going to be able to do it soon, and we're going to have so much fun and an amazing time. Make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I really love all of your support, and I've been seeing everyone in the comments, so drop a comment and I definitely am going to reply to you. Also, Happy New Year, blessings to everybody. I hope that this year will be the best year of our life for all of us. Many blessings to you and to your family. Stay tuned for my upcoming episode, which I'm going to be discussing things to do to have the best year of 2005, so you don't want to miss that episode, where I'm going to be sharing tips and different things you can do to stay focused, eating healthy, staying on track for your goals, for your mental health, for your spiritual health. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.